project work prepared by students of the 8th grade of the Bukhara District Specialized School. I am Kholmuz Zafarbek.
I am Sadiq Sararbek.
I am Islam Muhammad Ali.
I am Ahmed Rahman.
Our project title is How to Budget Money Effectively. Subtitle is Providing Practical Advice for Managing Your Finances. Practical tips for managing your finances. First, why budgeting is important. Helps you control your spending and avoid debt. Allows you to save for future goals, emergency fund, retirement, and big purchases. Reduces financial knowing by exactly where your money is going. And produces improves financial stress by knowing exactly where your money is going.
Second, the basics of budgeting: track income, how much how much money you earn each month. List expenses, where understand where your money goes. Set goals, both short term and long term. Financial goals. Make a plan. Assign each dollars to a specific purpose.
The 50-30-20 rule. Headline: simple budgeting formula. Explanation: 50% needs, rent, utilities, insecure, groceries. 30% wants, hobbies, going to cinema, and dining out. 20% saving and debt repayment, loan payments, retirement, and emergency fund.
First categories of spending: essential needs, housing, utilities, food, transportation, insurance, non-essential wants, entertainment, dining out, travel, savings, emergency fund, retirement, future goals, debt repayment, credit card debt, loans, student loans.